So air filters have gone up. Spent $40 on a cabin filter and an engine filter. Same as it used to be. Let's change these air filters. I pay for them to change out my oil because I find that a little bit daunting. I don't know why. But I will change my own cabin and engine filters. So let's see if we really needed it. The car was telling us that it was time to change it. Usually what I do is I have like a hybrid approach where I'll let the dealership or Walmart do certain things and I'll do other things. So there she blurs. She's been a workhorse, just a phenomenal vehicle. I mean, just really good to us. Let's go ahead, let's see how that engine filter looks. Oh wow, it's dirty. Okay. So this is the engine air filter. It was not horrible, but not great. This is the other one, I guess. This is weird. It doesn't look anything like this one. Engine protection. Let's see. Let's open it up. Okay. Yeah, they look the same. I guess it kind of needed it. Let's do a comparison side by side. Yeah, sure. I mean, I want to take good care of it, so might as well change it now. So it goes in like this. You see this cap? Match the cap with this cap, and we're gonna do the same thing. And the best part about doing it at AutoZone is you can just throw it away at AutoZone after you're done. So this is the new one. Let's get it in there. We're just gonna go ahead and slide this in. Just like that, it slid in so nicely. Push it all the way in, get it down, put the clamps, and boom, we just replaced the air filter for 20 bucks instead of like 100 like they want at the dealerships. Gonna go ahead and take the used air filter, put it in the box, then we're gonna throw away the used air filter in the new box. Now all we have to do is the inside cabin, which is actually easier. It's a workhorse. So now we've got the inside cabin filter, which you just put some pressure here and it drops everything from the glove compartment. Let me go ahead and take this stuff out. So now we exposed the fan and the filter. Gonna go ahead and get the filter off. This thing looks like it needs to be replaced. Oh Lord, look at how nasty the cabin filter is. Dude, the cabin filter is so gross. Holy cow, we really did need a new cabin filter. Ugh. So we're gonna put the cabin filter here. Then we have the new cabin filter, which these cabin filters have gotten more expensive, let me tell you. They're about 20 bucks each now. I remember them being under 10. Inflation. So these walls here, you're just gonna wanna line them up. Line them up with the sides of this. So now we've got a new cabin filter in there. You take this out, you clamp it back in. Gonna need two. Now it's correct. Make sure it's sealed. Make sure nothing escapes, or else it'll go past the filter. So now I made sure it's sealed. Push this back up. Go ahead, put all that stuff back inside. Collect the very nasty old filter. Ugh, I can't believe that's what we were breathing. And there, that's how you replace the air filter on a Honda Civic.